In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim videos in CapCut using an iPhone, making it easy to cut out unwanted parts and keep your clips clean and professional. First, let's begin by opening the CapCut app on your iPhone. Once you have it open, you'll want to create a new project. This process is straightforward. Simply look for the option to start a new project, typically found on the main screen, and tap it. This is where you'll start bringing your masterpiece to life. After that, add the video you intend to edit. You'll find the option to add videos, and from there, you can browse your library and select the one you wish to trim. It's nice to have all your materials ready so you can focus on making those sharp cuts. Now that your video is loaded into your project, we can start with the trimming process. To trim from the beginning or the end of your clip, tap on the video clip itself. You'll notice bold white edges appear on either side of the clip. These are your trimming handles. Drag these edges inward to remove the parts you don't want. This action is intuitive and offers you quick control over both the start and finish of your clip, allowing you to fine-tune exactly where you want the video to begin and end. But what if there's something you want to cut out from the middle of your video? For this, you'll use the split feature. Place the playhead, which is the line indicating where you are in the video, at the point where you want to make your cut. Once the playhead is positioned, look for the option to split. This will divide your clip into multiple parts. Now, you can easily remove the unwanted middle section. Just select that section and delete it, creating a much smoother flow for your video. Once you've completed your trimming, you might want to take a moment to adjust transitions between the clips you've just created. This small step can make a big difference in providing a seamless and professional appearance to your video. Finally, with all your cuts made and transitions refined, it's time to export the final video to your device. Look for the export option, usually represented by a button that indicates downloading or saving, and tap it to save your edited video. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the art of trimming videos using CapCut on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more editing tutorials.